How to fix incoming call not showing on screen. Are you missing calls because incoming calls aren't showing on your screen? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you quick ways to fix this issue. So let's get started. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Press and hold the power button, tap to restart and wait for your phone to reboot. Try calling yourself to check if the issue is resolved. Now let's check phone app permissions. Open settings, scroll down and tap on apps and simply find phone. Here simply tap on incoming calls and simply make sure banner or full screen so that notification of incoming calls will be shown to you. Likewise, go to the notification. From here you can simply make sure to toggle the allow notification on. Likewise, make sure call notification and display over other apps are enabled. If permissions were off, this should fix the issue. Next is to turn off do not disturb mode. Tap do not disturb and make sure it's turned off. And lastly, what you can do is simply try resetting the network settings. Just open settings in your phone, tap on general and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on reset and click reset network settings. This won't delete your data, but it resets network and call settings. And that's it. Now you know how to fix incoming calls not showing on screen.